Hello everyone. Take a red plasticky sheet of paper, fold it over multiple times, then use a lighter in order to curl one of the edges. Now use a plier in order to shape it in the way that you want. Wrap it around a stem that is created out of wire and green paper and then make a rose out of it. Make an entire plant. Next, take some fruit foam net, cut it up into half, diagonally fold it, pull a wire through and then join it at the bottom. Next, take some green paper and then wrap it all around. Cut off the excess and then add multiple layers to it as such. Next, start off by taking some fruit foam net. Then make a ball out of it and then make it into a circular ball. Then arrange it in a circular shape alongside the wires. Take a yellow sheet of paper, make multiple slits on it and then wrap it around a wire. After you have done this, once again wrap it, add multiple layers to it. Add leaves to the bottom as such. You may do this for different colors. Next, start off by taking some fruit foam net, roll it up, tie a thread in the center and then make a ball shape out of this. Next, add a wire to the bottom of it and then add leaves to the bottom as well. Make multiple of these in different colors. Next, start off by taking the base of the bag such as the handle and then make this braided shape out of it. While you are bringing it through the top, put it in through the top once again. Then make a small slit in it and then arrange it. Do the same with one of the others and then it should look like a crab. Add little eyes to it as well. Next, start off by taking a cloth bag and then make a knotted symbol out of it as such. Now, once you are done tying it up as such, you should form a 3D-like shape. Continue to bring it and then cut the edges, make multiple slits on one of them and then add a bead to the other to signify a bird. Next, take a balloon and then cut out one portion of it. Then, taking a wire, add some paper around it. Now you have made a balloon look like a tomato. As for the bottom, add multiple lines, wires to it as well as some cloth. Next, start off by taking a sheet of paper and then make it into this petal-like shape. Wrap it around a little figurine and then tie thread at the bottom. Arrange them all in a circular shape as such and then add a brown stem to it. Next, start off by taking some cotton pieces and then start off by using some light pink paint on it. This is what it should finally look like. Thank you for watching.